Hey guys, Room Picker here from that lockpicking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is N3 by NOTL, and he made his out of a Schlage SC1 kick cylinder. You can see the key does work. Now this key is not mummified because it violates max. And you can see that crazy nightmarish bidding there. I've gotten this open a couple of times off camera, but any time I try to film it, it goes a little camera shy. This, I can get into the deep false set, but as soon as I try to get set that back pin, it doesn't want to cooperate. So we'll see if we can get it on camera tonight. This is actually a 70 thousandths keyway, so I have my 30 thousandths tension bar and a 40 thousandths, and that seems to tension it pretty solidly. And let's zoom in on that, rotate, and there we go. Let's see if we can get this open tonight. Getting into the false set sometimes can be tricky because of that low lift on pin 1. There we go, that's good. You almost had it there, but I overset the pin. There we go. So now we're into the false set. And now if we can get this back pin, we'll be good. Set it. This back pin is tricky because you have to get around that zero lift. Get it? No. Crap. Sometimes my tension wrench will fall out. I'm gonna lose it. Yeah, we lost it. That was quick. All right, make sure these are firmly in there. You piece of crap. This thing fights me more than any other lock I've picked. It does not want to cooperate. All right. Make sure that's firmly in place. Piece of crap. I'd like to get this on camera so I can send this lock along. All right. Another shot at the title. Yes. Oh my God, this thing has been a pain in my butt. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this thing taken apart. First off, got stickers on my lock table. Second off, look at this awesome pinning tray given to me by Corncob. This is my first thing I've ever owned that has had my name on it, so it's kind of special to me. All right, let's get this in there. It's really working out. So you can see why pin 1 was such a pain in the butt here in a second, but pin 1's a pin and pin. And then the zero lift pin has a serrated and spool top, so it's very easy to overset that. And all the chambers are threaded on the core. And he has a tapered pin for driver pin 2. A serrated for driver pin 3. He has a multi-level serrated spool Did I lose a spring or did I think I had lost spring? All these chambers had springs. I will have to go look for that. Unless it's not in there. There's a spring for this one. Let's see, let's take this off and see if there's a spring stuck in here. No spring. So either I dropped it or I'm pretty sure there was a spring in here, but so I didn't feel that there was no spring. I may have to throw a spring in there. Threading on chamber 1, nothing on 2, threading on 3, threading on 4, nothing on 5. And let me just do a quick check on the floor just to make sure that I didn't drop a spring anywhere obvious. No, I do not see a spring. So I will have to chuck a spring in there unless I find it here on my lock table after filming. But I'm pretty certain there was a spring in there. So let's look at this awesome pin work from NOTL. So you can see we got those multi-level serrations and that high lift in the back. And that short spring on the zero lift makes it very easy to overset. And we got that pin in pin for chamber 1 that did not like to play nice. So that is the N3 challenge lock by NOTL. I'm going to be sending this N2 off to HV Logic, and hopefully he has fun fit too. Thank you for making this lock, NOTL. Better luck next time. Thanks. Bye.